Hey everyone, I am here with another fun little project. This is also from the August subscription kit, but you can use this concept with anything and get these really fun little journaling cards. So let's go ahead and get started. This is what we're going to end up making. So I've printed these on, and they come two on a sheet, and I've printed them on a lightweight cardstock. And then I've printed a neutral paper on the back so that you have something when you unfold it to either journal on, or you can add photos in here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make these. They're very, very, very easy. So first of all, you're going to either score and fold or just fold. And I'm going to just show you how to just fold today. You're just gonna see the shading lines and you'll know exactly where to make those creases and those folds. So go ahead and just fold that one down, and then this card is gonna come right over the top of that. And because of the way it's printed, it's gonna be a cute little contrasting pattern of paper. Now for mine, I went ahead and I rounded out these corners with my handy dandy corner rounder that I love. And then, of course, it wouldn't be complete without a little bit of ink. So normally I would ink the inside as well, but I'm not going to worry about that today so much because that could get boring. So you're just going to ink the edges that you see. And you have this beautiful thing. Now, if you zoom in super close, there is a tiny black dot printed. It comes on the printable, so you know right where the center is. So if you had a square punch, that would be awesome. If you need to just trace something and then use your X-Acto blade to get around that, that works. You can use really any size of a circle hole punch as long as it doesn't go too far and then come off the edge. But this is a 1.25 inch circle hole punch. And I'm going to come all the way up to where that circle, that tiny circle, is about in the center. And just kind of eyeball that, make sure I have it, and then go ahead and punch. And then go ahead and just carefully give that a little bit of ink just to kind of make that pop a little extra. You know what I mean. All right. Then when you fold it over, you have a cute little window to your picture. So that's super easy. Let me quickly show you on this larger one. And I did end up changing from my example. I changed the paper background on this one, and I like this one better. So it ended up working for the best. And again, you're just gonna punch. You don't have to punch the corners. I just kind of like how it makes it look a little more, I don't know. You know, you know, right? And then again, I'm coming straight up here, making sure I'm relatively centered and punching that circle out. This literally takes like 2 minutes. I love it. And then you have this really cute journaling card with a fun little window. And you don't have to do too much inking, but I just don't like it when you can see the white crease of the paper. So whatever you like. And then you have this fun little window. All right, so I have a few of these, and I have my cute little journal that I've been working on. So let's go ahead and maybe find a fun spot to add them. I think one of these big ones would look really cute as a journaling card inside this envelope. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that with one of them. So you can just use that. And I added a tiny bit of Velcro on my envelopes just to keep them down, because it's when you're turning those pages, you don't want that envelope to pop open and get squished or something. All right, let's find another spot we can use one of these in here. And you can just adhere it, which is what I'm gonna do on the next one. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, I like that. Maybe even a plain. Oh, that's cute too. These are the same. I love this. Okay, this is going here. All right, just try it out until something just clicks for you. And you know what I'm gonna do? Let's see. I'm gonna make this into a tuck. I just barely thought of that. Maybe I'll make it a pocket. There we go. So I'm gluing the 3 sides down, keeping that bottom piece open, or side piece. So now let's see what I can find. I can grab a little, I have these cute seed catalog covers, and I can just tuck one of those right in there. Oh, cute. Awesome. All right, and let's see. Maybe we want a fun little, I'm trying to think what would be cute. I think if we had like a little fun little ticket and a word or something. Or we could do some stamping. I think that ticket's too big for kind of what I'm going for. Oh, I have these fun, that's cute. I have these fun little ads from some bee magazines, beekeeper magazines. So I think I like that. And maybe a little tiny guy too. Yep, okay. It is settled. Oh, do I want lace? Lace never hurt, right? So we could go ahead and add, but I have to be careful because this still has to be able to flap open. So I don't want it to be too much. Let's just do a little strip of it on the bottom. I almost forgot for a second that that has to flip open. That would have been good if I would have glued it shut. So now I'm wondering if I can do this still. That's okay if it hangs off, right? Yeah. That's okay, we'll just scooch it a little more in. Oh, I just put glue right where there's not gonna be glue. There we go. And I'm gonna come right there. I wonder what grape dust is. And we have our tiny little guy. So here's just another way that you can use that little journal card. And it works perfect with this smaller scale journal because it just makes the whole page fun. All right, hopefully that's glued down enough. So now if you're worried about that popping up, you could add just a tiny little paper clip right here because you have this pocket now that you could stick that in. So I might do that later. We'll see, we'll see. All right, let's add another one in this back signature. We'll try and decide. I think I'll add this bigger one because the other one's in an envelope, so it won't be seen as readily. So you would need to print 2 of these pages because I can't remember if I have 2 different varieties or not. You know what I kind of want to do is put it in the back cover. I kind of think that would be a fun back cover piece. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yes, I am. All right, so for this one, I'm going to do something a little different, and I'm going to make it into a pocket this direction by leaving the top open. Give that a good glue. And I have, let's see, I need to find a tag that's the right height. It's okay if it sticks out the top a little bit, but I don't want it sticking out too far. I think I would prefer that, yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a hole and give myself a little eyelet here. I'm so excited to embellish this journal. I just love the process when the journal's done, and this is the part that I love, the creating the little tucks and the little hiding spots and all of that good stuff. I love it. All right, let's use some of this lace again, and we're gonna go ahead and create a little topper for my tag here. This journal just screams out lace to me. So for the signatures in this, in case you're curious, I used just some paper from the August subscription kit, and I printed on both sides. Kind of, some of them I did a neutral on the back, some of them I did a patterned. And then I also used some coffee dyed paper, and that's really it. I didn't want to use too much because I want to do a lot of interactive pieces that are going to take up that space, so I didn't want to get too crazy. Oh, that's cute. When it's shut, you're just going to have the little lace sticking out the top. I think I'm going to go ahead and just put a word down here. I need to ink these two sides because it was cut, and so I didn't get those inked. There we go. And I just have this tiny scrap of lace. Maybe I'll just put it in the background, because it never hurts to have more lace, ever. All right. Let's see. I actually have this circle. I'm wondering if I can incorporate, that's left over from cutting one of these out. I can probably use that somewhere else because I like the lace showing, so I don't want to go over the lace. All right, so just like that, you have another fun little way to use these. You can use them as a pocket, and then they open. Or you can use them, let's see, where's the other ones? Oh, you can use them as a side pocket with a tuck right here. Oh, almost got that stuck in there. Right there. Or you can just use them in an envelope, just like that. So anyway, really easy to use, really fun. So I hope you can get some inspiration from that, and we will keep working through this journal. Talk to you later. Bye.